Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another first impressions, but today is the brand new Conceal and Define Revolution foundations. I'm super excited because I was a part of the campaign and I'm just so happy that I got to be part of the campaign because Revolution are my ride or die makeup. You guys know I always use them, so I'm super excited to be testing them out today. I have a box from the launch event which has these amazing goodies. I'm really excited to try these out, to see the consistency, to see how high coverage they are, to see if they're gonna snatch my wig. I'm excited. Let's just get into it. I literally feel like it's Christmas. Is that a bit sad? New foundations genuinely just excite me. Is that a bit sad? It's a bit sad. I'm also gonna be doing a giveaway at the end of this video. So whichever is not my shade, I'm gonna give away to you guys. Like, why not? And follow my Instagram because I'll probably be doing the information on there, my Instagram. Okay. So let's just see how these guys work, and I'm excited. Have I said that? Yeah, I have. So the foundation and the concealers all come in a dome foot applicator, which I think is interesting. It's kind of cool because then you can just dab it. I'm gonna try the F14 just as a swatch. As you can see, that is a decent match for me. Also gonna try this next to it as well. Now this is definitely a more red undertone. Now upon second glance, I think I'm probably going to go with this because this one seems a bit too cool, especially as it's just dried. It's just dried down a bit too cool for my liking. We're going to go for the F16 people. We'll see how that goes. So I'm going to start by priming my T-zone as I normally do with my Benefit Professional Primer. And on my forehead. Okay, so I'm going to do a couple of dots of this foundation on one side of my face, and then you guys can compare how my natural skin tone is compared to this. So I'm just gonna do a couple of lines. I do feel like this looks a bit too red on me. I think I'll definitely go with the one in between. Ooh, this coverage is beautiful. Just putting that out there. Yes, guys, this honestly, this is high-end. This ain't no drugstore. This is a conspiracy. How can this be drugstore? How is this drugstore? This reminds me of my Huda Beauty, honestly and truly. Excuse this lighting, it's just playing me today. Other than the shades, this genuinely reminds me of my Huda Beauty. I'm not gonna lie to you. This coverage is bomb. £9. This is so good. I know I said that the color match was a bit red, which you can kind of tell. Like, my skin tone is a bit more yellow, this side is a bit more red, but it's not too bad. It's not that drastic that I'm like shocked or anything. This reminds me of the Fenty Beauty foundation when it was a bit red, but I can make it work. It's not too bad. So obviously I think that because there was a jump between the shades that they matched me with, I think that's the problem. So I'm gonna definitely get the one in between, which I think will be my perfect match. But the coverage is exceptional. I'm here for this. So as you can see, it's covered my bags, it's covered my discoloration around my mouth. The finish is really matte. It's like a demi matte. To me, it's like a demi matte. It's not fully, like, I can still see a bit of a glow, which I like for winter because nobody's trying to look like dead out here. I want like that glow to look alive. You know what I mean? Okay. This is just a dream. I'm pleased with that. I'm not mad at that. So we're going to move on to my highlight. They gave me the C13 and 13.5. Normally I mix 13 and 12. So for this tutorial I'm just going to use the 13. I'm going to give away the C13.5 because obviously I don't need it. This concealer, a dream. I really recommend it. I've tried it before, so I'm just going to make a kind of triangle around my eye and my nose. My chin, my forehead. I'm going to do a couple of layers of this because I'm trying to look all the way covered, you know. I really like a really high full coverage because natural beauty, there's a time and place. But when I'm doing a full beat, I need my face to be sickeningly snatched. It covers up your bags very easily just with one layer. I really recommend this highlight, and it's only £4, guys. Like, what even is that? It does dry. I feel like it dries quite quickly, so try and work a bit quickly with this. I'm really happy with this combination of highlight and foundation. My face looks flawless. Forgot that this foundation sets, it's like it sets itself, like it doesn't look wet or anything, it looks set already. So if you're trying to save coin on your setting powder, then go for this concealer, because I feel like it needs minimal setting. But because it's a bit darker than the highlight I usually go for, I am going to bake just so it brightens up my under eye a little bit more. So of course I'm using my Laura Mercier to set my under eyes. I had this trick from Melissa's Wardrobe on Instagram. She says you should put your setting powder on the back of your hand and then dab it in before you put it on your face, because it just makes the product so much smoother when it goes onto your face. So I'm gonna try that out. And see, she's right. The side that I didn't do it, it just looks a bit more patchy. So I do recommend that. I'm gonna contour with my normal shade. I really wanted to use that the contour that they gave me, but seeing as C13 is my under eye highlight, I don't think the C14 they gave me with my contour shade. I think I'd need at least C17 or something to contour, so I'm just gonna leave that out. I'm gonna use my normal Fenty Beauty contour stick. I'm gonna give away that for one of you guys. That contour though, whew. I don't have any words today. Guys, who can tell me that I don't look good today? I look like a goddess. I look like a bronze chocolate queen. That's what I look like today. Is that me? Is that me? Wow. But that blend though, that coverage though, okay. Like Revolution, you did that. So Revolution is definitely Gratsi approved. Honestly, the coverage is amazing. The color match is bomb. I really like this. I hope you guys do too. And yeah, if you want any more foundation reviews, leave them in the comments. I'll check them and I will do something for you. So onto the giveaway. I'm going to be giving away okay, I'm going to do two winners. I'm going to be giving away one foundation and one concealer. Obviously I'll open this, so I'll have to buy a new one, and the supersize concealer. So you guys can let me know what your shades are. We'll figure out how to do it, but I know I'm just going to give away two foundations and two concealers to two winners. So you can leave in the description box, comment below what you like about yourself. Yeah, comment below what you like about yourself, and I'll pick a winner randomly, because I want to, you know, get us talking about what we like about ourselves. Why not? Because self-love and all of that. And yeah, that's about it. That's all I have for today. I hope you guys like it. Make sure to follow my Instagram as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.